This is a ICP unit. It's running low and just an Athletics just turned on. There's a rebranded more domain, which is an IGN. There's a chromosome. Two Linux experiences. And there is a train. There are some of the newer trains, and there's one running on the third. And then there's a good one. These are all like that are running in Kumu. There are the disconnect boxes and sets. These are very interestingly installed because they're all train since it's taken a bit of a beating. I'll come up in here to the lights. So that could be nothing too funny. They are mostly running a Kumu. And there is also a refrigeration component. It is very hot out. And these are, I believe these could be heat pumps or Straker units, I'm not sure. But if I had to guess, they'd probably be Straker units, mostly. This is an IC, that's an ICP, I didn't see any logos. And like I said, there's also a thermal zone and two Linux units right there. And a train that has seen better days. I would say I thought there was like, these are